absolutely kick-ass. लाइफ में वही कर रहे हो जो करना चाहते हो, and if not, you're at the right path, doing most amazing things. And I don't know why am I starting the video with this, because it's been quite a while कि मैं ऐसे बैठ के बात नहीं की हूँ, quite a while कि YouTube video इस channel पे नहीं गया है, but it's going to be different right now. You must have seen the intro of the video. The videos are now going to be powered by Oyo, and it's going to be different and amazing for you guys. And we can connect on a regular basis, जो मैं इतने दिनों से नहीं करी थी. Apologies for that. But let's begin with today's video. I went on my very first freaking pehli solo trip, and firsts are always special na, and this was also one of the most special trips of my life. And how did I convince my parents? I will let you know, because I know you have clicked on this video because you are also planning for your first solo trip. और Indian parents को convince करना is not a cakewalk. थोड़ी planning तो लगेगी, इसीलिए इस video में it's going to be like a Bible or a step-to-step guide on how would you convince your parents for your first freaking solo trip. अगर मैं कर सकती हूँ तो आप लोग भी कर सकते हैं. All the very best. Let's begin with the video. And in case you're watching me for the first time, hi guys, this is Arushi. I'm a travel and a lifestyle content creator for more than 4 years now. मैं बचपन से I've been traveling. मेरी फैमिली पूरी घुमक्कड़ वाली फैमिली है, तो I think now is the time that I can travel the country and help you travel through my lenses. And ये सारा content ना free में है, तो you all can do one thing, and that is help increase my subscriber count by just subscribing on the subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified on all the videos that I keep uploading from now on. Also, अगर आप मेरे पुराने subscriber हो तो मुझे comment section में बताओ if you have gone on your first solo trip, and I would love to hear your stories, because पहली वाली, like I said, will always be special. तो चलो, we are done with the intro part. एक दूसरे से जान पहचान हो गई. अब let's begin with the video, and like I said, it's going to be like a guide, like a proper guide. So let's begin with round 1 of the questions that are going to be fired to you when you say Mama या पापा मुझे सोलो ट्रिप जानी है. Oh, no. The first question, the list of questions in round 1 is going to be, where do you want to go, when are you planning, why are you planning? These are like basic. First आएगा क्यों जाना है, सोलो क्यों जाना है, दोस्तों के साथ जाओ, that is also another story. But the first is going to be, why do you want to go? And इसके लिए answer I'm not going to be giving you. You're the person who going to be actually telling कि तुम्हें solo trip क्यों करनी है. I had my own reasons. I got married in the month of Feb. All of that will come later, but I wanted to do a solo trip before getting married. I wanted some solo time because COVID mein we were all in the house, so I did not get that solo me time wala thing. So I wanted to do that. Also, I feel when you travel solo, you know so much about yourself. Discovering yourself and knowing yourself is the most important thing I feel before knowing anybody else in the world. And खुद से प्यार करोगे तो I guess दुनिया बहुत सही लगेगी, and तुम दुनिया को और ज़्यादा enjoy करना सीखोगे. मैं ज्ञान नहीं दे रही हूँ. This is something that I have felt in whenever I have gone on solo dates with myself, solo movie dates हो कहीं भी, even weekend getaways, it has always been refreshing for me and knowing myself little bit more than I used to before the trip. Now answering कहाँ जाना है, उसके लिए Google is the best option. You can directly Google on places which are best for first time solo travelers in India. You have, the list goes on. You have Beer, you have Munnar, you have Varkala, you have Pondicherry, you have, the list goes. You have tons. You can search on Google and find out which suits your option. Now I went to Pondicherry because I love the white town ka concept. I wanted to see what the white town looks like. I love cafes, love exploring cafes, and I love beaches. तो बस sorted था मेरे लिए, तो Pondicherry perfect था. I didn't actually go and search, but of course I searched कि is Pondicherry safe? It was absolutely safe, and I did not regret going there. So do your research on where do you want to go and when do you want to go. अब जब place decide कर सकते हो तो उसका best months भी आप Google पे search कर सकते हो. That goes hand in hand. So when, why and where is sorted for right now. Sorry. So your round 1 questions on कहाँ जाना है, क्यों जाना है, कब जाना है, when, why, where is sorted. Let's go to round 2. There's some change in the camera angle because it's round 2. Gear up हो जाओ. Round 2 is all about your itinerary and आप यार मतलब itinerary and the budget. भूल गए. Like तारे ज़मीन पर हो गया सोचते सोचते. Okay, so आपकी itinerary के लिए of course you need to study the place well. You need to know कि best sunset point क्या है, best restaurants क्या है, sunrise कहाँ अच्छा होता है, local language क्या है, street shopping कर सकते हो या नहीं, shopping के लिए क्या best है, street food में क्या best है. Yeah, I guess this sums up to give you an adventure sports है कि नहीं. So that will give you an idea of your budget as well. और जगहें रहने के लिए like best places to stay in कौन सी होंगी. Okay, so these are the list of things that you need to know when you're studying the place and get an idea of the itinerary. मतलब आप सुबह जब उठते हो तो आप उसी दिन जब सोते हो उसके बीच आप जो जो चीज़ें करते हो वो सारी लिस्ट डाउन करनी पड़ेंगी for your parents. Now itinerary will be day 2, day 3, day 4 like a normal travel agent does. उसी का काम करना है आपको. तो all I'm trying to say is जितना डिटेल हो सकता है उतना डिटेल करना because that is going to be your strength. And वो जब आप अपने पेरेंट्स को इतना डिटेल में बताओगे ना उसी से आप वो कन्विंस हो जाएंगे कि you are ready for your trip and you are a grown up person now. तो वो वाली चीज़ पे प्लीज़ डिसअपॉइंट नहीं करना नहीं तो वहीं पत्ता कट हो जाएगा. तो लाइक आई सेड डे 1, डे 2, डे 3, डे 4 सारा कर लेना. तो व्हेन यू प्लान ऑल ऑफ दैट यू गेट एन आइडिया ऑफ आपका बजट कितना खर्चा होगा बिकॉज एडवेंचर स्पोर्ट्स इज़ अनदर थिंग एंड गूगल पे यू कैन फाइंड आउट एडवेंचर स्पोर्ट्स या जो भी आप कर रहे हो उसके सारे रेट्स इन दैट प्लेस. Everything is available on Google. We are very lucky to have Google for now and help us with planning everything. तो वो वाली चीज़ कर लेना तो budget will be sorted. Now once the budget is sorted, you need to find out side by side while you're planning the budget is where you stay. And for the stay वाला purpose, 100% आँख बंद करके I feel you should go for a hostel. I stayed in Nomad House in Pondicherry. Swear to God, it was the best decision of my life. इतने सही like-minded people मिले. And of course वो solo trip बाद में solo trip रही नहीं. I travelled with them across. Orville was the only place where I travelled solo. बाकी तो पूरी group trip हो चुकी थी. So there are two things, right? When you go first time solo, you're figuring out if solo is made for you. If not, you have a group to travel with when you and like-minded मिल ही जाते हैं. Hostel is huge. Lot of people आपके mindset को match करने के लिए कोई ना कोई मिल ही जाता है. And the second is if you like solo, you're not answerable to anyone because you've come solo, so you don't have to actually go inside. ग्रुप बनाओ कंपल्सरी कुछ भी नहीं है. यू कैन लिटरली डू वट एवर यू फील लाइक. आज सोलो करना है आज सोलो करो, आज ग्रुप करना है तो आज ग्रुप करो. लिटरली योर चॉइस. सिर्फ इतना है कि यू हैव शेयर्ड वॉशरूम्स इन हॉस्टल्स. Some hostels do provide single occupancy as well. That can get a little expensive, but budget अगर आपके पास हो तो there is nothing like it. I still think hostels are best because it's safe. You have a hostel owner, you have people to look around. So don't think twice. Even I have OCD cleanliness का है मुझे, but I was sure about hostels because I didn't want to risk पहला solo और सब कुछ खुद करना है. नहीं भाई उतना नहीं हो पाएगा. So I went slow. Also, one more reason why you should definitely go for hostels is hostel owners काफ़ी cool होते हैं. तो in case your parents insist on talking to them before sending you, that can be like a plus point, okay? Because they meet solo travelers every day. So they giving that confidence to your parents is definitely going to act as a plus point. And आप वो बेझिझक कर सकते हो. मेरे तक वो मतलब उतना मेरे तक नहीं आया घर पे कि I'll have to tell them to talk to the owners or something like that. But in case that happens, it's cool and you will be in safe hands for sure. I just realized I was trying to convince you to stay in a hostel, but trust me उसके बहुत plus points होंगे and you'll be thanking me later. The next thing, like I said, budget stay ये सारा जब sorted हो जाएगा ना तो जब just उनको in case you are in a position to do that, bank statement versus your budget बताना, just telling them that you can afford the trip and that like expenses के हिसाब से you will manage everything. Nothing that they have to worry about because that is also one little concern जो उनके पास होता है ना कि पैसे है कि नहीं, जा कहाँ से रहे हो. So that can be sorted. The next and the most important thing that can come for especially women solo travelers, I'm not saying male solo travelers को ये नहीं आएगा, but this is something that has been most important and like something just कर लो इसके लिए तैयारी. That is safety. This is the last round that you have to keep yourself ready for. Safety, women you have to, be ready for that. So you have a pepper spray in hand, and you have a alarm keychain in hand. All of the links for these two products are in the description box. Amazon ka links I've put. You all can check it out in case you don't have. Pepper spray ke chote keychains aate hain, and alarm ki bhi keychains aate hain. So you can have it tucked in your bag or something outside ही. अंदर मत रखना because it makes no sense. You have it handy just in case कभी भगवान ना करे कभी use हो आपको. But this is something that you need to have in hand just to make sure that you are safe wherever you're going, and your parents know that you've taken utmost care to be secure about. Phone pay, have your emergency contact numbers, have all of that in place. Women helpline number, police, all of that. वो जो place का जो भी basic contact numbers होगा वो सारा in place रखना just to be safe and secure. And last but not the least, it's going to be difficult because it was difficult for me, is why I'm feeling it's going to be difficult for you. But do not give up. मैंने 4 बार, I had 4 rounds of convincing them. I did not act over smart. This is little छोटा सा tip जो मैं आपको दे सकती हूँ. Listen to their reasons on why they are not allowing you, because their parents in the end, उनका concerns are going to be different, and probably we cannot understand it right now. So understand what they are saying, why they are saying, and then counteract on in your next round of convincing them. And I really hope you can go on your solo trip, because it's going to be life changing, it's going to be beautiful, and you're going to be loving the experience for sure. If I could do it, you can do it too. And I hope you get the permission. Comment section me, you're going to be letting me know, you're going to be telling me that you got the permission or no. And agar kahin bhi hiccups aaye, yeah, your guide is here for you. Arushi is here for you. Comment section, I'm going to be responding ASAP. And also I do post a lot of reels on Instagram as well. So Instagram pe DM karke you can send me pictures on your solo trip and anything that you want to talk to me about, in case you're not comfortable in your own comment section. So Instagram be here for that. So I can see you on the Instagram as well. And I also have posted a lot of videos that you all can watch. यहाँ पे list of videos है that you all can watch. And I went on a trip to one of the most beautiful locations in Madhya Pradesh, and I went with my friend. This was again before marriage that I'd planned a trip with her, and here's a link to it, and you can watch it. And I'll see you in the next video. A lot of ands, please excuse me for that, but I'll see you in the next video. Bye.